Do you want to keep your TikTok, as you see here, your TikTok account more private and secure? In this video I will show you how to make your TikTok account private so only people you approve can see your videos and profile. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to TikTok app. You will go to this sign of profile. You will move to this window on above. You will click here. Then you will find your settings and privacy. You will tap in this page. Then here in this page of your settings and privacy, you will tap on your privacy and you will enter to this window. And then here you will find private account. As you see, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected, so you click here to enable this. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.